Aquasana shower filter technology is inspired from an upflow design to help maintain water pressure, prevent clogging, and allow extra contact with the media layers. A mighty design packed into a small footprint with the capacity to filter 2.3 gallons per minute. The science in the Aquasana shower filters combine layers of premium natural carbon coconut shells to reduce chlorine and harmful metals. A copper and zinc media filter enhances the water's pH balance. Less of the bad stuff means softer, smoother, cleaner skin and hair. And the Aquasana AA-4100 is NSF ANSI tested to standard 177, guaranteed to reduce up to or more than 90% of your water's chlorine. Weighing in at only 2.3 pounds and measuring 8.5 inches high, 7.25 inches deep, and 3.25 inches wide, the Aquasana AQ-4100 Deluxe shower water filter system is backed by a 1-year warranty and is very easy to install in as little as 4 steps. Just be sure to run your shower for a few minutes to rinse out the residual carbon fines. Here are the pros. Includes adjustable shower head picked from 4 styles. Easy and quick 4-step installation. Improves pH level. Guaranteed 10,000 gallon or 6-month filter life. And the cons may require plumber's tape to ensure leak-free installation. Filter replacements can add up. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.